The month of July in ransomware with Twitter hackers, 10 by 10 vulnerabilities, and Cloudflare outages. The month of July is circulated with the ransomware attacks. KUUS ransomware is categorized as a version of the file encrypting Stop DJVU virus. The malicious program is created lock victims' personal or work files stored on the computer system, making them with different file extensions, even in .kuus file extension. Stay waiting to understand about the KUUS ransomware virus that is spreading throughout the internet. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and stay connected. The KUUS ransomware is a file locking virus that can restrict the users from accessing the documents and archives on the Windows operating system and external drives. The ransomware removal is must before initiating any methods of data recovery and system repair. The KUUS ransomware is a file locking virus that attempts even to extort the Bitcoin from the PC users. KUUS file virus can lock files on the connected external drives. KUUS virus files has the only limited recovery options. When your computer is open to the virus threat, the malicious program is created and lock the victim's work files stored on the system. After the successful data encryption process, victim sees a readme.txt file that is purposed to be a ransom demanding message. Attackers demand to pay a specific amount of money to decrypt the files and reach out via new emails. This cyber threat acts similarly to the precursors such as Zeta, Mars, and other viruses. All other versions of the ransomware family use a disguise to hide their presence at first. Usually, the encryption process is hidden by opening a fraudulent Windows Update screen to stop people from interfering with the encryption procedure. KUUS, which is the latest ransomware, is the 241st extension variant used by Stop DJVU malware. Attackers offer a 50% discount within the first 72 hours of infection. During this time, users must pay $490. The later the prices increases to $980 in Bitcoins for the KUUS file decryption tool. The ransom must be transferred in cryptocurrency to a specific account given through mails. Many YouTubers have came across with the technical details and also the ways to decrypt the locked data, even to remove the ransomware virus through the internet. The malware targets computers with later processors like Intel after Intel 386 or later processors and compatible processor. So there are different genuine tools and softwares which is the virus removal can happen by running an entire system scan to allow the software locate all elements related to the virus. Once the security software scans your system, it puts the malicious components into quarantine to stop the activities causing the computer damage. Later, it carefully uninstalls the ransomware files and ensure that the PC is malware free, and also you can get the detailed instructions how to start the elimination process in the internet, that is in the YouTube videos. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the notification button for more videos.